Hello students, next is problem number 9, symmetrical eye section. This is a figure given of symmetrical eye section. It consists of upper flange, lower flange and web. Web connects the upper flange to lower flange. Dimensions are given. I read out the problem. Problem number 9. A symmetrical eye section has the following dimensions. Calculate polar moment of inertia of the section. Flange is 100 mm into 10 mm. D by D. B is 100, D is 10. And web is 10 by 100. And we have to calculate IP. Polar moment of inertia. IP is Ixx plus Iyy. Perpendicular axis theorem by. So solution. For Ixx, we assume this as hollow rectangular section. So formula for hollow rectangular section is 1 by 12 capital BD cube minus small BD cube is equals to, now we'll find the value of capital B, capital D, small b and small d. So capital B is the overall width, which is 100, capital B, capital D and small b, small d. Capital B is 100, overall width. Capital D is overall depth, 10 plus 100 plus 10, 120 millimeter, all are in millimeter. Small b will be total width minus thickness of the web, 100 minus 10, 90 millimeter. Small d will be depth of web, which is 100 millimeter. Now substituting these values in the given formula, so Ixx is equals to 1 by 12 bracket, capital B is 100, capital D is 90 cube minus 120 into, capital B is 100, capital D is 120 cube minus small b is 90 and small d is 100 cube. So on solving this in calculator, I got the value as 6.9 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter raised to 4 Ixx. This is the answer for Ixx. Next we have to find Iyy. Iyy directly we can find by using this simple step of Iyy1. Iyy will be equal to 2 times moment of inertia of flanges plus moment of inertia of web. So Iyy can be calculated by 2 times moment of inertia of flanges plus moment of inertia of web. 2 times of moment of flanges because both the flanges are of same dimension. So 2 into moment of inertia Iyy of flanges will be dB cube by 12 plus for web dB cube by 12. So you have to take respective d and b and substitute those values. 2 times of, for flange, d is 10, b is 100. 10 into 100 cube divided by 12 plus for web, d is 100 and b is 10. 100 into 10 cube divided by 12. On solving this in calculator, we get the value of I by y, which is 1.67 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter raised to 4. So this is the value of I by y. Now finally IP will be equal to Ixx plus Iyy. So Ixx is 6.9 into 10 raised to 6 plus Iyy is 1.67 into 10 raised to 6. On adding these two values, we get final answer as 8.57 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter raised to 4 IP. So this is the final answer. IP is equal to 8.57 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter raised to 4. Hope the problem is clear. Thank you.